Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be scanning vintage black and white photos. We're going to go to Photoshop to restore some of the damages these photos have undertaken. Now, some of the damages are water droplets, scratches, or the most common one is adhesive tape. After I've restored them, I'm going to print them out and cut them out. Word of advice, do not purchase the cheapest paper cutter on Amazon. Now, if I'm doing a high volume job, I'm definitely going to invest in a better paper cutter. But for this particular assignment, it did the job. Also, if you guys follow me on Instagram, I do have a channel on IGTV at lost_in_LA where I'll take this advanced process and I'll make it 100 times simpler. So that'll be released sometime this week. Go check it out. Until then, enjoy the video. So I have tons of family photos that I need to copy onto my computer. And some of these photos are almost 100 years old. I worry about these photos being damaged later in the future or an unfortunate event to where we lose our history. So part of this project is to kind of get people motivated to make sure they preserve their own history. Now, not only will I be saving it onto an external hard drive, but I'm also going to upload these photos onto a cloud-based service. So just in case, the next generation will have access to this account and, well, they'll get to see our family history. Now, I know this process is boring, but scanning your image does ensure the best quality and preservation of your image. And if you'd like, you can take it to Photoshop afterwards and restore the image back to mint condition. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe for future photography projects. If you do find your way to the final stage of reprinting your photos, they make great gifts for the family. Alright everybody, until next time, I'll see you later.